Good day, guys. So today I want to get straight into house insurance or homeowners insurance, right? Many of you would have worked hard and purchased your homes. You would have taken out a mortgage to obtain your property, and you want to protect that valuable property in the event of any loss or damages to that home. Owning or buying a house is one of the most valuable investment someone can make in their lifetime, and I think it's very important for you to protect that investment. By doing so, you would need to obtain some insurance to cover that property, that house, that home that you and your family enjoy, right? We have many obstacles that could come in the way: earthquakes, storms, hurricanes, fire, break-ins, all those things that could damage your home. So I want to urge you to protect that investment by taking out some homeowners insurance on your home, on your beloved home. Another aspect that you want to consider when taking out homeowners insurance is contents insurance, which is insuring the valuable items that you have in your home: your fridge, your stove, your TVs, your washing machine, your sofas, your computers, your jewelry, your clothing. All those items you may want to consider protecting or insuring when you're taking out homeowners insurance. Now they both go separately, homeowners insurance and contents insurance, but you want to combine them in order to get the best benefits. Because, for instance, if something was to happen to your home, if there was a hurricane, for instance, let's say, and some windows were broken, the roof was blown out, the rain could soak a lot of your furniture and your appliances and so on, and those would need to be replaced also, right? So the homeowners insurance would take care of the damage, the physical damage to the actual house itself, and the contents insurance would help to replace the items in that home. Now, one main point that I want to get across to you guys today that I think is very, very important is when you are taking out your house insurance, make sure you get a proper valuation of your home and a valuation for rebuilding. Because a lot of times people insure their homes for less than it would cost them to replace it if it needs a total replacement. If your house was totally damaged and you need to replace that home and it is underinsured, you could run into problems. And let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, it costs you, and for ease of calculation, $1 million to rebuild your home the way that you had it. But for some reason, the premium to cover that $1 million is a little bit costly. So you decided, you know what? I'm going to insure my house for $750,000, because chances are I'm not going to totally lose my house. I may just need to get some repairs here and there in between, and $750,000 should be enough to cover that. Because the premium that you pay on $750,000, you can afford that. So as I mentioned before, you may have a hurricane, a storm or something like that, and your roof is blown out, and the cost to repair your roof is, again, for ease of calculation, $100,000. So you say, fine, I'm insured for $1 million, so now I will be covered for $100,000 to repair my home. You go to the insurance company, and when they do their assessment and their evaluation and so on, they realize that you underinsured your home, and your home is actually insured for 75% of its actual value. Therefore, everything thereafter has to be in proportion to that 75%. So although your overall coverage is $750,000 and you have a claim of $100,000, that claim represents 100% of the repair. But because your entire house is insured for 75%, that claim is now reduced to 75% as well. So the insurance company is going to pay you $75,000 to repair your roof. You are now out of pocket $25,000. And that is how insurance works. Everything is in proportion to your actual insured amount. So that's why it is very important that you get a proper valuation when you're insuring your property, right? So again, I just want to urge you, once you own a home, take out some homeowners insurance to protect that investment. That is one of the biggest investments you will ever have in your lifetime. Also, protect the contents of your home, all your valuables, your appliances, your clothing, your jewelry, your computers, all those things you want to protect, because if something were to happen to those items as well, you may not have the funds to replace them. So, take out insurance, take out contents insurance, and again, get a proper valuation and make sure your home is valued at the correct amount to avoid any issues in the future. And because of the market prices and the market value of homes over years, it is advisable every 5 to 7 years that you do a re-evaluation on your home. And depending on the value at that time, you may want to adjust your insurance amount. Right? So guys, I hope this was very useful information. Again, call me if you need any further information, 290-6210, or send me a message and I will get back to you. Again, look forward to my other videos and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.